So yesterday I showed you my biggest orchid. Today I'm showing you my smallest orchid. Right in the back there of the terrarium, that's what it looks like. I do not know what type of orchid this is, unfortunately. I'm still trying to hunt down the name tag for it. I do know the guy that I got it from, so I will be asking him shortly what kind of orchid that is, if I can't figure out the name. Yeah, but in comparison, here is a quarter. And there's the quarter next to that orchid. It is smaller than the quarter. That's pretty wild.